On this day, April 27th, a Florida woman was pulled over by Fort Pierce police for swerving on the highway. According to a report, the police found cocaine and marijuana inside small bags in a purse sitting on her lap. She admitted the weed was hers, but not the cocaine. She was quoted, "It's a windy day and must have flew through the window." But did it work?
All right, just stay calm. We have a story. If we stick to the story, it'll all be fine.
Sir, you found my drugs, I ain't gonna lie. Some of them I take, but some of it ain't mine. I blame it on the wind. It was all the wind.
Yeah, no. Can you step out of the car, ma'am?
Damn it!